National Park.
That's it. And looks like we're out of the rainforest. Maybe we'll get back in today.
Delays.
Yep. I think we're going to be waiting for a little while here, babe.
Yep. For visitors wanting a quiet.
Yeah, it's a rainforest. Still waiting after an hour and a half, 2 hours.
It is not.
It has been that long.
It is not.
They keep putting markers up. You only got an hour left, and then you only got 30 minutes left. Look at this. Still waiting.
I said, even that other lady laughed.
Well.
Stinky. That's nothing.
No. Doesn't tell us where to go.
Here we go.
Hikes. But where do you start?
How could a 8/10 of a mile take you 45 minutes?
I don't know.
Here's the other one.
Well, here's a map. But
Does it say?
is that the same map here? You are here. And the visitor center's up here, so you got to go up and around.
Oh, really? I would think it leaves from there.
Bears are here. Elk
Oh,
quartering.
yeah. See, here's the visitor center.
Where are we at? Cougars. Yeah.
There's the visitor center. We must be here. Is this where we're at?
The initiation of the rainforest. Yeah. Yeah, they are kind of funky looking. It's wet here. Is that what they call it? Rainforest? You want to do the trail or do the trail? Okay. Oh man, the big trees. This is Douglas fir, you think? Okay, we're in Olympic National Park in the HOH. HOH. The HOH Indian Reservation. I guess. I'm not a hoe. You a hoe, babe? You got your hair just traced back to the Indians here. Alright, let's go to the rainforest, hey? Yeah. I'm thinking it'll be fine. Yeah, they got a lot of information here. We're not going Hall of Moses quite yet, eh? Oh, it's not that way? It just circles around? Oh, okay. I wasn't watching.
Over 200 feet tall.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, and what's not the rainforest? This forest is coniferous, citrus fruit
Look at that.
with needles that are sharp. Hemlock, is that what you?
Yeah, the western hemlock is the one that I was thinking
Douglas
about. The tree.
fir.
Yeah. Yeah, the hemlocks are in the Hobbit forest. That's what I was thinking about. But look at these big trees. That's Douglas fir there, I'm assuming. I don't know. This is a hemlock. These are the big trees. Man.
I thought those were the ones that had the dark green leaves or needles with the
Yeah. And that is clear water. Whoa.
Right? We've already talked about how the red alders need disturbance. They need something like this river to come through and knock all the big.
Big trees.
I'm gonna film the other half.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, this place is way too crowded. Yeah. It is a rainforest. Damn. big trees here in this rainforest. In the hoe. This is the hemlocks. Yeah.
Okay, then that's
Douglas fir. This Christmas tree looking thing is a baby Douglas fir, isn't it? I don't know.
I just took a picture of it, so
I bet you it is. And here's some big ones. That big old massive thing in here though is, I think those are Douglas firs.
Douglas firs are like the Christmas tree.
Yeah, okay. That's what I said. This is a Christmas tree. The hemlocks are the ones with the,
No, they both look the same to me.
yeah. Man. Nice walk. It's not real cold or wet so far, which is good. Look at these big monster trees, though. I mean, they're just everywhere. Look at that. Look at that.
Now, which tree is that? Citrus fruits has sharp needles.
Yeah. Yeah. These hemlocks and Douglas fir, but look back there. Man. Look at that.
See, I think this is the Douglas fir. It's got dark bark and bright green tips. Not green.
Uh-huh. What's the hemlocks?
There's a droopy top. Is that a droopy top?
I don't know. Really a pleasant walk, though. Considering how many people were waiting for over 2 hours to get in, and the congestion back here, this is pretty well.
The beginning of this walk was really crowded.
Yeah. Well, I see a bunch of them up there. Oh, something just bit my leg.
And behind us, real close.
No, this is a lot better. Look at this. Something up. Yeah, very nice. Oh, this is the rainforest. Should we go left or straight? There are no signs. Except stay behind the fence. Stay behind the fence, that's what it says. Or it just goes to an end there and comes back, I don't know. Well, it's a little bit wet here. Get a bit muddy. Well, it just, the sign went this way, so it stay behind the fence. hemlock is something. Log. Big tree goes all the way down. Look at that. Continues. Had to cut it in two up here. Yeah. Crazy. Look at that. The thing just continues indefinitely. Man. Yeah, it's pretty wet in here. Just watch these rocks. And you merge into the rainforest for sure. Man, all of a sudden it's quiet. Where'd all the people go? see a couple up here. Yeah. That's an old dead tree there. The top's broken out of it. But these look dead, but they got, you know, live
Bright
sprouts
green.
coming out of them.
I think it's just the most
Yeah, it's not a bad walk. We scared all the people off. Man. Yeah, it's wet and cool. Brisk, as you say. Careful with all these wet roots. Yeah. Be kind of treacherous. Those woozy people. Nurse logs. That's what that is there. I don't know. Looks like their roots are competing here. Tangling up together. Yeah, this is really a rainforest, isn't it? Everything's wet. All the ferns are wet. The ground is wet. The hemlocks are drooping. The fir trees are screaming at us. I think these moss-covered things are hemlocks, aren't they? That's what we'll call them anyway. These creepy-looking things in here. The hobbit trees.
They're drooping at the top.
Yeah. We just call them
Fir
hobbits.
trees are the ones with the really dark bark.
Yeah. At Christmas, they should come through and decorate all of them.
Yeah.
Decor the rainforest. How they grow.
This is the fallen Sitka spruce.
Sitka
again.
spruce. Okay. No, look at these.
Weird.
Yeah.
The white underneath.
Now we'll go back up the steps. Yeah, it's a long fallen dead tree. 190 feet. Yeah. Now we caught back up with a lot of people. This is where we started with the one way. That's when it got congested there with the Hall of Moses. Now we're going back to the point of beginning. Yeah, it looks slippery. Okay. I'm following my leader. Muddy, muddy. Okay. Almost back. Yeah, it's very, very clear. Look at that. You wouldn't believe that that was 20 feet deep, would you?
It's not 20 feet deep.
Where's all the salmon
I
that
think
forest that ranger was talking about? I'm hungry. I could have a salmon right now. Where are we going? To the whole river trail? Spruce Trail, okay. This is the decision. The crowds are kind of overwhelming, so I'll let you decide.
I'll say let's go back then.
Okay, we've seen, I don't think there's a lot of difference.
Experienced it, and
Yeah.
How much different can it be?
Well, I don't like,
It's just too crowded.
yeah, I don't like all the crowds, even though they metered the crowds in to the maximum parking capacity. That's too many.
Yeah.
We had an occasional respite from the crowds, but in general, it's too many people here.
Schools out now. Probably do some out and I can add more
Yeah.
to it.
There's the center.
Keeping an eye out.
Okay. Let's see what's in here. Huh?
Remember you go Spruce Trail or whole river trail.
18 miles one way. Yeah. Did we just do that?
No, we just did home. We could tell everybody we did.
Yeah, everybody.
They'd know better.
We just did 18 miles one way. Okay, that's me. I'm struggling with my mental health, babe. I shouldn't joke about it, should I? You know, you have to deal with what you have to deal with sometimes. Huh? What? Oh. LGP, I can't even say it. LGBTQIA+. Okay. Trans rights. Well, why would they put Happy Pride?
Because it's Pride Month.
This is Pride Month. Okay, love is love. All right.
Gina Rainfall.
This is somebody that's proud, babe. National Park Service.
She
best
doesn't
support.
even know how to spell it.
Well, anyway.
Unless being.
Well, that's the way. Whatever. Pretty pictures. Hey, climate change. We got climate change every morning. I wake up, it's changed. It's raining sometimes, sunny sometimes. Cold or wet or dry and hot, right? That's what you call climate change. Hey, there's the banana slug facts. Eats poop. Well, oysters do that too.
They do?
Yeah, they at the bottom they're scavengers.
Ew.
That's what makes them so tasty.
Oh, no.
Yep. That's a Roosevelt. A Roosevelt elk. Yeah.
I forgot that. Look at that. You can see its teeth.
Mm-hmm. Just
Look
had
at
them cleaned.
those big feet.
Yeah. You come register for your campsite. The whole rainforest.
It's called a dipper because it sits on rocks and does this.
I'm surprised they don't sell stuffed animals
Hey,
for
look.
grandkids. I know, they got some girl ones. They got
Oh. Happy Pride Month. Got a bunch of queer animals here, it says. Banana slug. All right. Did you know that the slug can be the male, female, or both? There's a lot of queer animals here.
I didn't know that.
That's what it says. And it eats poop, so that tells you anything.
I think you're making
No, that's what it says.
No, not you.
Okay. All right, Olympic National Park.
Yeah, that's pretty. Kind of consummate Washington, huh? Kind of looks like.
Yeah, it's a different
Going
color
through
of the sun.
Canada.
Usually you don't have sun, but
Yeah.
look at this. Pretty drive.
The sun is kind of making the windshield glare and all that, but yeah.
Let's see if there's still a backlog, right?
motorist.
behind me get right up over 20 mile an hour. They want to speed through the gate, right?
Oh yeah. Oh, I don't know if everybody can see because of the glare, but big long lines still waiting to get in.
It's funny, isn't it, Ranger, how they place the signs along. When you come in, it says 2 hours wait, then an hour and a half if you're there, then an hour, and then 30 minutes, and then 50. They got these strategically placed signs along here, so you know how long you gotta wait
Yep.
just to get in.
It helps though.
That line's not as long as
No,
ours.
I don't think so.
Sure enough. See these signs they got here?
Right. I don't know
All
which
along
one
in
that
here, they got
one.
4 or 5 of them right here. That one's 15 minutes, I think. So when we first got here, it was almost 2 hours. Yeah, we were backed up way down here, way in front of this water.
Yep.
You know,
Yeah.
past this
We
little
were
bridge.
watching people.
That was a long
All
hour
right.
when we first got here.
It's kind of glary as
Oh,
far as
well.
their view.